ducks went out one day, over the hill and far away. Mama duck called with a quack, 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 but only 4 little ducks came back. Quack, 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 where did they go? Oh, where's my pack? Quack, 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 come back, come back. 4 little ducks went on a spree, through the forest past the big oak tree. Mama duck called with a quack, 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 but only 3 little ducks came back. Quack, 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 where did they go? Oh, where's my pack? Quack, 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 come back, come back. 2 by the river, 1 on the hill, 1 by the pond sitting quiet and still. Mama kept calling quack, 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 hoping her little ducks would come back. 1 little duck went all alone, far from the nest, far from their home. Mama duck called with a quack, 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 and all 5 ducks came waddling back.